Indian origin women are leaving no stone unturned in making their mark on the global political stage. From the United States to New Zealand, these remarkable women are breaking barriers, reshaping policies, and inspiring the next generation of leaders. According to a New York Times report, the United States House of Representatives had just one Indian American member in 2013. This number has grown ever since, with at least 50 Indian origin representatives in American state legislatures by 2023. Here are 7 influential Indian origin women who are leading global politics today. Number 1. Kamala Harris. Kamala Harris, the first woman, first African American, and the first South Asian to serve as the Vice President of the United States, continues to be a trailblazer. Born to a Jamaican father and an Indian-born mother, Harris has a distinguished career that includes serving as San Francisco's District Attorney and California's Attorney General. Despite ending her 2020 presidential campaign early, she made history by endorsing Biden and subsequently becoming his running mate. Harris has a familial connection to Tulusendrapuram in Tamil Nadu and often speaks about her Indian roots. Her appointment in 2020 was celebrated with fireworks and prayers in India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi calling it a historic occasion and expressing his eagerness to work with her to strengthen India-US relations. Harris's ascent to one of the highest offices in the US signifies the growing influence of Indian origin women in politics. Number 2. Usha Chilukuri Vance. The nomination of Ohio Senator J.D. Vance as Donald J. Trump's vice presidential pick has shown a spotlight on his Indian origin wife, Usha Chilukuri Vance. She has her roots in Krishna district of Andhra Pradesh. Born to Telugu-speaking immigrants, Usha's academic credentials include a degree in history from Yale University and a Master of Philosophy from the University of Cambridge. A former litigator who clerked for Supreme Court justices, Usha's behind-the-scenes support has been pivotal in Vance's political career. Stay tuned to So South for a detailed story on Usha Chilukuri Vance, where my colleague tells you more about Usha's Telugu roots. Third, Shivani Raja. In the UK, Shivani Raja has made headlines by becoming the first Tory MP to win Leicester East seat in 37 years. She recently swore allegiance to the UK Parliament on the sacred Bhagavad Gita. At just 29 years old, Raja's victory is significant not only for her party but also for the Indian origin community. Born to parents from Gujarat and Rajkot, Raja has an academic background in pharmaceutical and cosmetic science from De Montfort University. Her win is a testament to the changing political landscape in the UK and the increasing representation of Indian origin politicians. Number 4. Nikki Haley. Nikki Haley, born Nimrata Kaur Randhawa to Indian immigrant parents from Punjab, has been a powerful figure in American politics. She was the first woman and the first person of an ethnic minority to serve as the governor of South Carolina. She was Trump's American ambassador during his candidacy before she resigned in 2018, after which she launched a challenge against her former mentor a year ago. Though her bid for the 2024 Republican presidential nomination was unsuccessful, her career continues to inspire many. Number 5. Priyanka Radhakrishnan. Priyanka Radhakrishnan is New Zealand's first ever Indian origin minister. Born in India and educated in Singapore, Radhakrishnan moved to New Zealand for further education. She joined the Labour Party in 2006 and became an MP under Jacinda Ardern's leadership. From 2020 to 2023, she served as Minister for the Community and Voluntary Sector and now holds the position of a List MP. Her political journey is marked by her dedication to community service and her role in New Zealand's inclusive governance. Number 6. Anita Anand. A Canadian lawyer and politician, she has been serving as the president of the Canadian Treasury Board since July 2023. Anand was born to Indian parents from Tamil Nadu and Punjab and has an extensive academic background, including degrees from Yale, Queen's University, and Western University. She has also held academic positions at these institutions. Before her current role, she served as Canada's Minister of National Defence, making her the second woman and the first Indian origin woman to hold this position. Number 7. Indrani Raja. Indrani Raja has been a key figure in Singaporean politics, serving as a minister in the Prime Minister's office and second Minister for Finance since 2018. She was born to a Tamil father and a Chinese Singaporean mother. Raja began her political career in 2001 and has since become an influential member in the Singaporean government. She recently emphasized the need to introduce Singapore's children to Tamil, one of the 4 official languages in the city-state. With only 7 women sworn in as union ministers in the new Modi cabinet, India is seeing marginalized representation of women ministers. But Indian origin women are making waves globally. Their achievements reflect a dynamic shift showcasing the global impact of Indian origin women in politics. I'm Deepthi Rao. You are watching India Today, So South.